January 12th, 2018. I just wanted to document this right here. I want to use my phone because it'll pick up the detail a little better. But there's been a shitstorm over the East Coast all day, as you can see there. Look at another view. This is the upper level water vapor. You can see that forcing there taking place up through Florida. It's pushing it northward. Okay. Now we'll look at the past 24 hours NEXRAD activity. It's been pretty heavy. Watch the East Coast. You seen that? Them storms get real bright red. They were right there, right there. And then you'll also see these little red patterns in the Carolinas. Right. Okay. Now we'll go look at the most recent. Figures it had to load, but you can see all the pulses happening there in the mid-Atlantic. Here we'll take a closer look at the mid-Atlantic. Sorry, it had to load. Alright. Now we'll go. This is the. Go figure. Anyways, it'll load. Here we go. We'll just take a nice look. You can see that little yellow line there at the end. Right? Mexico, right there. I don't know if that has to do with anything. It might just be a. But with this look, and you can see that storm. You can see the straight line, especially when it gets dark and turns to infrared. You can see him forcing it. Okay. Now we'll, since we looked at all that, a photo gallery of some screenshots I took today. We'll start with the download, I guess. These are the visible feeds. I believe it started right here. That's the northeast. You can see them, clouds all nice, fine, straight edges. Chem clouds. The forcing, where they're forcing high pressure. And then we'll get up to my screenshots, and we'll start from here. Last night I seen some of these pulses on the mimic map. And then here, this morning, this started where the storms got real hot. Just on a few frames. Tried to see if it would line up there. And then here's some visible feeds of the mess over top of us on the East Coast. God. See that rib pattern over South Carolina. Just a mess today. Absolute mess. you can see right where they're installing the high pressure. And that's where you get these flatter clouds with the, like right there, or yeah, right there at the very edge, where you can see all the look at the circle right there in the middle. That's right where they're gouging up the high pressure there. Right up on through, you can see where all the clouds are flattened. More NEXRAD activity. Here's a pulse up there off the coast of Maryland, Delaware. I guess that's coming from New York, that pulse. And I guess that one's from probably Delaware. Over here. The microwave pattern. You can see it. Okay. And then we'll see some personal photos from today. Here's my visibility this morning. It was warm, 60 degrees, raining on and off, and you could hardly see. Still ice in the creek. It was foggy as hell all day. Raining on and off. 60 degrees, yeah. Supposed to chill off by Sunday. So we'll check back in then.